I think that I'm done tripping. I'm tripping. I've been sipping. That's how I control this feeling. You keep giving and I keep on winning. You know that I could be the jingle bell, goes down, goes down, goes down, goes down, goes down, goes down.
Piano in the bell.
Jingle bell.
Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Well, we're the Congolese sister. I'm Patty, if you don't know, if it's your first time here. So yeah, so today I created for you guys this holiday look. I hope you enjoyed it. For this look I mostly focus on the eyes because my face routine is the same. But for my foundation I just combine the Clinique foundation with the Colourpop, which will be like the shade will be listed down below. But for the rest I use the same products that I used like on my previous video and on the previous before that. So I hope you will enjoy this video, and don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. So let's get into this video. Hey guys, so I'm starting off with the brows today, and I'm applying my Espresso brow pencil from NYX. To clean up the brows, I'm just using my LA Girl Pro Concealer and cleaning up them brows. So I'm using this banana setting powder by Colourpop just to set my eyelids because I have really oily lids. So if you're not oily, I wouldn't recommend you taking this while doing this method. So the first eyeshadow that I'm using is kind of this pinkish color from the Saharan palette by Juvia's Place. You know how much I love these palettes. I can't remember the shade right now, but it will be listed down below in the description box. For the other shades that I use from the Warrior 2 palette by Juvia's Place, again, I mixed the shade Yodit and Kulfuru. I'm so sorry for the pronunciation, guys, but like the names are actually hard. And I'm just applying that in my crease. And on top of that, after, I will also take the color Jamata from the same palette and apply it in the same exact place that I am applying these two shades. So to cut my crease, I use the same concealer that I use to clean up my brows, which is the LA Girl Pro Concealer in medium beige, if I am correct. And yeah, I'm doing the technique where like you apply a little bit at a time and then you look up, which just tells you where you have to cut your crease. So yeah, I'm using this method right now, and I'm cutting the crease. And I did it a little bit messy, but in the end everything turned out for the better. So don't hate on it now, just enjoy the process for now. So to the color that I will apply on the place that I conceal is from the Magic palette, again from Juvia's place. I swear to God, guys, I am not sponsored. Is the color Kogi, and yeah, I'm applying that everywhere that I conceal with the, sorry, it's the Magic Mini palette. Not just the Magic palette, it's the Magic Mini palette. Okay, so I went back to the Saharan palette. I first applied the color, sorry guys, Bororo in the middle of the center of my lid basically, but I didn't quite like the way that it looked. So on top of that, I applied the color Senegal, which you're seeing me applying now. And I just applied it on top of it because I felt like it was, I like the way it looked basically. And then I blended everything out with like the brush that I use in the crease, just blending everything out. And then I went back into my Warrior 2 palette and I used the color Sawata, and I just applied that in like the outer crease, I can say, just to make it a bit darker because I wanted the look to be more darker, and then I just blended it into the crease. For my highlighter, I use the color Tourmaline from the ABH Sun Big Glow Kit, and I applied that basically everywhere: cheekbones, bridge of the nose, under my eyebrows, and in my inner dot. So I went back into my Warriors 2 palette And I first started applying the color Yodit on my lower lash line, basically. That's the first color I used. And then on top of that, I went with Jamata from the same palette, the Warrior 2. And I kind of blended the two together. Yeah, as you see me pointing out there. And then I went back into the Saharan palette and I used the color Senegal, and I applied it in the middle of my lower lash, basically. I just applied Senegal. I didn't want to apply the other color like I did on the top of my eye. I just liked it better like that, but if you want to mix the two colors, it's all up to you. So I setted my face with the Colourpop dark powder, basically, and I sprayed my face with the NYX setting spray. For my lips, I applied the BFF3 by Colourpop, and then I used this color, which I'm not sure what is the name, but it's from the ABH Volume 1, the lip palette, and I will find the name for you guys and I will list it down below in the description box. I wanted to go for something a bit subtle for my lashes, or should I say mascara. I use my Better Than Sex mascara by Too Faced, which is getting kind of old. I need to change it and buy a new one. And then I apply my lashes off camera, and I also apply my eyeliner off camera. My eyeliner is from Tarte, and it will be listed down below with the eyelashes. So it is the end of the video, guys. So thank you so much if you stayed until the end. Basically, I really enjoyed creating this look for you, and don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and I hope to see you guys on our next video. Bye.
What else? Your body